Today we're gonna put this vibrant exhaust on this Chevy here. I also got a turn-down pipe that's gonna be dumped before the axle. I currently have a rotted out Flowmaster 40 on here. It lasted about 4 years and then it rotted from the inside out. I'll show you what I have for exhaust under there right now. Here. Factory Y pipe, and the first two converters are still there. Then I had that third cat deleted when I did this, and the pipe increased the pipe size from 2 1/4, which is small and gay. Oh, fuck! And I got this as a 3-inch pipe, all the way back into a Flowmaster 40. There's rotted hole. It's still hot because I just drove it, but here, watch this. It wiggles around. That's why I have it clamped here, because it rotted. Other side has a hole in it too. It's dumped over the axle there like a normal tailpipe. So my plan is to take this off. It's already pretty much come off over here. I might have to cut it a little bit, but I don't think too much. And take that pipe out and have it dump about here. Probably a little bit further down, but not too close to the axle or anything. Yeah, check this hole out. Oh, you could fit 3 in there. You can fit 4 in here. Oh my God. She's a big girl. Okay, so I got more clamps. I got 3 clamps. This one has its own clamp. I'm gonna try to reuse one of those exhaust hangers down there if I can. If not, I'll leave it for when I have this actually have tailpipes put out on both sides. I just don't have time to book that in right away. I got Sawzall, and for most of these clamps it's a 14 mil socket. Okay, well, I got the old Flowmaster and old tailpipe out, and man, this thing's full of cracks and holes, and it was vibrating like crazy. And I'll tell you what, after that I need a beer, a German beer, like BMW invented deleting your mufflers. They say that mufflers are horrible for your car. I will be making another video where I cut the Flowmaster open and we'll see what's inside. See if you guys like that. Okay, so it's installed. It's all clamped down for now. I reused these 2 clamps that I used to hold the old Flowmaster on after it failed. And we'll see how she sounds. That's about as far back as I pictured it. That's where I wanted it for right now. Okay, now mind you, this doesn't have the best microphone. I do have a microphone that I'll go and borrow for a follow-up video where I'll go through a cold start and some in-cab noises and how it drives around through town. I will do a follow-up video on how it sounds, but let's do the first start. The engine is already warmed up. I'm actually pretty impressed. It was pretty quiet in the cab there. You'll see later on the next video. And the downpipe, there's a part number for the downpipe. That was on Amazon. It was a Vibrant 1794 Resonator muffler. Yeah, there you go. There's a part number. And yeah, as I was saying, I will do a follow-up video on how it sounds with a microphone on the camera here, driving around town, cold start, anything you guys want. And then another follow-up video where I'll cut this old flowmaster up and see what it's made of.